night in Cork he sat and played a wealthy merchant's game. The merchant had a silver tongue and fortune to his name. He said, "I'll wager all my gold against your empty hand." Tom smiled and said, "My friend, you've made the finest bargain in the land." By sunrise came the shouting, by sunrise came the cries. The merchant searched his empty coat with fury in his eyes. But Tom was in the tavern where the fiddlers played away, buying drinks for all the locals with the fortune from the game. Oh, the devil knows Tom O Shea, and they say they made a deal. But the devil got the worst of it when he learned how Tom could steal. So raise your glass and sing his name. Let the old tales come and stay, for there's no man quite as clever as old Tom O Shea.